Exclusively designed by Soak&Sleep, we set out on a quest to protect your bedding whilst ensuring all its benefits could still be enjoyed. These protectors are Teflon treated, making them water resistant as well as resisting against body oils, which can harbour bacteria. The treatment helps to combat dust and mites, great for allergy sufferers or sensitive sleepers. This treatment also allows your duvet and pillows to breathe, enabling you to feel all the benefits of your fill. The polycotton fabric is quiet, lightweight, and easy to wash and dry. To keep your duvet and pillows fresh and hygienic, wash the protectors frequently in the machine and tumble dry for a quick turnaround, or buy 2 so you can rotate on wash day. These protectors offer unrivaled protection for your duvet and pillows, perfect for protecting your investment.